Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. I know I look like a freaking cockatoo right now. I've been thinking about doing this for almost like 2 weeks now, and every night I would always like think about it. Probably because I am itching for like a new look, but since I am still confused with my life on whether I wanted to cut it or not, or color it, which I don't want to do right now because I know how damaging it is. I know my hair looks alive right now, and that is because of the coconut oil that I do every Sunday. So anyway, I tied up the portion that I actually wanted to cut. I don't want to do like half-ass bangs, you know. I've been seeing other people like cutting their bangs like probably like 10 pieces here like that. Like, hi guys, I'm going to cut my bangs. And then it ends up like just like, you know what I mean? Like very, I want to go like all out. I wanted to cut like very thick portion of my hair. And if this goes bad, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to blame John Ray because he keeps on ignoring me for these past few days, and I'm going crazy. So I have to blame somebody to make myself feel better. Anyway, this is how I portioned it. Actually, I'm thinking twice whether if I wanted to get like more hair, but this one is like pretty thick already. I really wanted to achieve the full spy girl bangs. I don't know if that's how have I described that perfectly? Like, I notice when somebody has this role play of being like a spy or like a super secret agent, or somebody like does like all of that kung fu and all of that jazz, I notice that they always have like these super bold, straight cut out bangs. And that's what I was going for. So what I did is that, because I'm not so sure what it's gonna look like, right? Because again, like I look like an egg. So what I did is that I downloaded an app and I tried like a couple of like hairstyles that has like bangs. Of course, the hair is like not realistic. It looks like a freaking sticker. I even tried like Justin Bieber's hair just to like, you know, out of curiosity. So this is the first hairstyle that I tried on the app. And then this is Justin Bieber's hair. And then this is the other hairstyle that only has like bangs. They only have like limited hairstyles with bangs, so these are just the 3. But I've seen Shay Mitchell with it and it really looks nice. For the most part is because like she's pretty. J-Lo has one, and Angelina Jolie, I think that movie is like Salt or something, which I don't know if I have watched it, I don't know, but it's been, Angelina Jolie is such a beautiful actress, like I totally admire her, but of course I'm not gonna expect that I'm gonna look like her, but I really love the bangs. It's like, and I know that Amanda Seyfried has like that type of like a very like blunt cut too, so those are like my inspiration. So now we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I want you guys to be like a witness of this craziness, because I just really can't do it alone. So again, like I already sectioned it. Let me just grab a comb. Oh god, this is not even a rat tail comb. What is wrong with me? Honestly, really nervous. Am I really gonna do this? Hell yeah. It's gonna grow anyway, right? Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna release that. I need like serious concentration. Okay. Should I wet my hair first or not? How am I gonna cut this? You know what? Before, like around 2006 to 2010, I cut my own bangs. And then after I graduated college, I just decided to like let my bangs grow for like, you know, but I have never really cut it like very, very blunt because my hair is like, I don't know, like, but I want to do it. Is this even gonna turn out right though? Sorry if it's like, okay, I'm really like, I'm sorry if this is like taking like too long, but I'm kind of like want to meditate a little bit before I do this stupidity. So I feel like what I wanted to do is that just under the brow. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to cut it here first. Oh shit, I really cut it. Okay. Who is that girl I see staring straight back at me? Girl, that's a lot of hair already. Oh god. Probably like somebody's watching this like, why are you complaining? You said you've been wanting it, and now that you're cutting it, you don't want it. You keep on bitching. Dislike. Yes, we are men. So as I am cutting my hair, I am doing them section by section. I'm definitely taking my time on this one because once it's cut, it's done. And after, you know what, after cutting my hair, I just realized that we have like, you know, the razor or the clipper. But anyways, even though if we have like a clipper, I don't want to like rely on that because it's scary to put that on my face. And knowing me, who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Even with scissors, you have to be like really, really careful. Now, the feeling of cutting a lot of inches off my hair was a little scary, but now it is absolutely satisfying. Can't even explain. It's just really satisfying. So I wanted to do a lot of things in my life. Once I have thought of, you know, aside from the pixie cut, I've tried that before when I was younger. Aside from the pixie cut, I wonder what it's like to be like completely bald. But yeah. I'm just wondering what it's like, but I feel like I can't pull it off. So yeah, probably I'll never do it. I'm just saying it, but I'll never do it. A friend of mine actually did it. I saw it on her Facebook. She went to a barber shop and had it done, and it looks so freaking good. It looks really good on her. I feel like if you have really short hair and you wear those really big earrings, it's going to look really hot and sexy. So just a few more cuts, and after that, I am done. Okay guys, I think this is enough. I kind of like messed up here, but we're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna take all this hair out and I'll be right back. Okay, let's take this out. Let's see what we got going on here. Probably gonna ask like, do you regret it? You know what? The universe already told me. You know, I saw this meme. It says like, you might feel like you need bangs right now, but you don't. But you know, I just went ahead and do whatever I want. Okay, you know what? Let's fix my hair. You know what? I'm not mad. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like I look even more unfriendly. Now that my hair is kind of like down, I'm kind of like liking it. I'm liking it. Thanks to the Emily Noel palette. This is the one that I have used as a mirror. Let's see. Final look. Now, it may look okay in the camera, right? Ooh, wait. Tatiana. Just kidding. I like it. Now I can go somewhere without doing my brows. This is awesome. At first, I'm like regretting it. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like, okay. But now that my hair is all down and it's like laid flat like that, kind of liking it. But I do think that my hair should be like all black. I feel like it's going to look even more better. But yeah, that's like a lot of hair that I cut today. So this is it, guys. In the future, I may take it up a notch like right here. But right now I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm okay. Like, I feel like it's a new me, and I'm gonna get the hang of it. Have a wonderful day.